So we hopped off the bus a little bit short of the Kotor Old Town area, just so we can walk along the promenade, have a look at the marina piece and see what's down this way. Lots of fancy boats to go out on the Blue Cave tour and out to some of the little islands off the coast. So you can do a 4-hour tour that goes out to a old submarine tunnel and to the Blue Cave to go swimming, and to Lady of the Lake Church near Perast. It's about €40. Straight ahead there's the walkway up to the Kotor Fortress. Goes right up to the top of the hill there. Probably go and do that one morning, I think. And then it goes, I think, you go up to the left there. There's more walls up there. I don't think you can get to that church. These mountains are amazing. Still beside the marina. All the beautiful yachts. So we're entering the old town through one of the side gates today. This is the one at the far end of the bay. Just trying to see if we can get up onto the edge of the walls at all. Come prepared for lots of steps. Oh no, thought we struck a dead end. Ooh, duck. This doesn't look at all dodgy. Shoot. Well, it didn't say you weren't allowed up here, so this is Bastion Corner. There are some signs saying stop there in blue, but they've all been taken down. Oh, just got on a screw there, mate. I'm still doing a full loop of the walls. Nice thing is it's completely free. Getting pretty hot up there now. It was 28 degrees Celsius when we were coming on the bus. I'm guessing it's over 30 now. So heading down into the old town. Straight ahead is the entrance to the fortress.
Oh, it's not salty.
That tastes better?
Delicious.
So the water at our apartment tastes a little bit salty, which we think might be because the sea intrudes into the public water system, which is not very good, but the water here tastes great. So yeah, we just had a lovely coffee and a Coke at that cafe behind us there. They obviously drop off the fruit and veggies early in the morning for people to use in the shops. Wow, look at that alleyway, a set of stairs. This is St. Tryphon's Cathedral. Just in a nice little square, not far inside the main entrance actually. We saw it the other day. We've come to it from a different direction today. There's a fortress up behind. So some parts of the old town are very touristy. Lots of tour groups walking around, lots of touristy shops, knickknacks and things. But other parts like this are just beautiful. Lovely old tree here. It's got a very medieval feel to some of the alleyways and things in here. It's not as fancy as the Dubrovnik, it's more, I don't know, authentic feeling. It's beautiful. It's the gate to nowhere. I just made that up. So we were up there earlier, walking around the walls, because we could see that clock there. Oh, remind me not to join a tour group. It's sort of a slow death. So we're just going to head out the main gate now, to the left here. So I think we found 3 gates, 2 side ones, 1 main one. Maybe there's a 4th one we haven't seen, but pretty sure there's just 3. This will take us out to the main drag where the buses go past. We're going to have a quick walk through the market. So this is the local fruit and veg market, just outside the main gates. Yummy olives. just outside the Kotor kind of shopping area is Kotor Beach. It's right next door to the next little village called Adriatic. I think I like our little beach. I'm guessing this is actually the promenade area. Where we were earlier was the tourist boat pickup spots around the marina. But this feels more like a promenade where you can walk for a little bit.